How to get out of the military and join the tech industry. What's good, family? Military Then Code coming at y'all with another video. Listen, guys. So we got how to get out of the military and join the tech industry. Listen, now this is specifically how you can get out of the Navy or how I got out of the Navy, but these are my exact steps I took, guys, to get out of the military and join the tech industry, guys. And now this is for anyone who has 6 to 12 months left in the military, or if you've been out of the military for up to 2 years, or however long, you can still transition, guys. But this is specifically speaking to those guys that are getting out. But here go 6 different things, guys, that you can do. 6 steps, right? How you can transition into the tech industry. So number 1, guys, is going to be find a skill set. So you can do a bunch of different things, guys. You can write blog posts. You could, talk. You can do communications. You can create content, different things like that, right? Where you can be able to get into the industry and actually have an impact, right? You can provide value to these companies because tech companies just need you to be able to provide value, whether that's recruitment, whether that's project management, all these different things, guys. So number 1, if you guys want to learn how to code, which is another skill set, we have free courses online for you guys. There are also free resources like YouTube and different things, free code camp, guys. But this here, it's a completely free course, guys. You guys are going to learn HTML, CSS, and you're going to build a website. This is the website you're going to build all of these animations, all of these different things, guys. You'll build this from a blank page into a fully functioning website, guys. So you'll, get to do all of these different things if you choose to do that course. But that's number 1. You have to find a skill set, guys. Number 2 is create a LinkedIn and start connecting with people in service. Now, LinkedIn, you guys want to sign up here and make sure that your profile is filled out in its entirety, right? So if you see my profile here, and make sure when you guys get on LinkedIn, you search me. I'll leave the links in the description. You search me and you connect with me. Make sure you connect with me and start connecting with my network as well. But as you can see here, my LinkedIn, you have everything filled out, some keywords, some of your skill sets, right? Communication, writing, blog, copyright, different things like that, right? And then you have everything inside of your profile. So your resumes, your portfolios, different things that might apply to you and what career set you're trying to go into, right? So you want to have some activity, and then you want to have your about section, which is short and sweet. You want to make sure you have that filled out, and then all of your experience in its entirety. So you want to have all of this stuff filled out. Make sure it's very detailed, even for the military. Now in the military, I'll go on more detail with you guys, on how, if you're coming out of the military, you have to be able to take specific duties that you did in the military and translate those into the civilian sector, right? Whatever industry you're trying to go into. So the tech industry specifically, right? So myself, I did a lot of admin work in the military, as well as, my primary job was a police officer. So you got to make sure that you could see all these different things that you actually did in the military, but it also applies to what industry you guys want to go into. So again, education filled out, volunteer work, all of your different sections, skill sections, recommendations, all of the different stuff, guys. So you want to make sure your LinkedIn is on point. That's number 2. Number 3 is create a 1-page resume. Now, you guys have to make sure that your resume is 1 page. Most employers are not looking at resumes with 2, 3, 4 pages worth of experience unless you're applying for these upper level management positions, right? Where you need 20 years, 15 years of experience. But you guys are trying to get into the industry, so you don't have to worry about that. So make sure that your resume is only 1 page. And that it's good to go, right? All of your military experience, like I said before, all of your military experience has translatable skills to the industry that you're applying to, right? And it's put into a format to where it shows an employer that it's for you. You can really help them out. So that's number 3, guys, creating a 1-page resume. Definitely make sure you want to do that. And number 4 is going to be, starting the interview process, right? So once you learn your skill, create your resume and create your LinkedIn, right? You might want to start interview for companies. Now, if you learn a certain type of skill set where you don't have to work, like coding, you can start freelancing as well, guys. So a couple different freelance spots. And I want to show you guys this as well. We have a resume checklist. You guys can get that for free in the link in the description. So if you guys want that resume checklist to be able to go over your resume and tweak it to the best possible, then you can go ahead and download the free checklist there. But now freelancing, you guys can either go to upwork.com here, or you can go to freelancer.com. And I'll leave these links in the description as well. And those are platforms where you guys can freelance and make some money. Now, listen, when I first learned how to code and I started freelancing, guys, within my first 4 months, I made about 30 grand. So that's insane, right? An extra 30 grand in a few months, guys, for you guys just putting yourself out there and using your skills, to utilize them in different ways to be able to help businesses and help people accomplish their goals, right? So lastly, guys, if you guys want to know how to do this step by step, we do have a course on this as well. So Keys to Finding a Career After Military course. It shows you everything. I go through everything step by step, guys. We build a LinkedIn with you guys. We build a resume with you guys. We show you exactly how to apply for jobs, different things to do. So guys, if you guys want to take advantage, go ahead. I'll leave the course in the description as well, but this is going to be the best thing for you guys, right? The step-by-step to show you guys how you can really transition into the industry and you can start making those 6 figures like you guys always dreamed of.